Hey, Rick Lewon from Whistler. I just want to give a big shout out to the Stone Clinic and Dr. Kevin Stone. 20 years ago, I had my ACL replaced with a Z-leg ligament. I've never felt better. My leg feels like brand new. I'm looking forward to the next 20 years. I'm 61 now. Hopefully I can ski like this when I'm 81. Thank you so much, Kevin.
My name's Rick Lewon. I'm 61 years old. I'm from Whistler, British Columbia, Canada. I'm former Canadian professional champion ski racer and Masters champion ski racer. Raced on the World Pro Ski Tour for 10 years, and I was in a Director's Cup race in 2003, and I tore my ACL. And I'm here at the Stone Clinic today to have my 20-year checkup. Well, I mean, the experience here is amazing. You know, we have public health care in Canada, but it's pretty, you know, round peg, round hole, square peg, square hole. They don't really, you know, everything is, you know, basically by the book. Where here at the Stone Clinic, and I just think, you know, in the U.S. in general, you know, they're much more creative, you know, with their ideas about, you know, repairing athletic injuries. Extremely important. You know, like, you know, athletes want to get back on their game as soon as possible. They don't want to, you know, like with our, you know, our national health care, you know, there's a waiting period. If it's not critical, you might have to wait 6 months to, you know, to have your knee or shoulder or hip or whatever replaced. If it's not life-threatening, you kind of get put on the back burner. I mean, I'm not here to, you know, to slag the Canadian medical system, but I mean you know, the level of professionalism here at the Stone Clinic, the way, you know, everyone from the, you know, from the front desk to the X-ray guy to Dr. Stone to the physical therapists, you know, I mean, it's just the best treatment I've ever had. Like I've had, you know, I've broken my back a couple times. I've had neck surgery. I've separated both my shoulders. I've broken both my legs. I've basically, you know, had 6 different knee operations. You know, but coming to the Stone Clinic and dealing with Dr. Stone is like a level beyond anything else I can really compare it to. It's just that much better.